keeping safe. Stay safe, guys. The situation is getting worse day by day, but still we have to maintain our own precautions and stay safe. Okay guys, so I'm back with another useful video for all you guys, and this video is all about beauty care. Yeah, and recently I've been focusing more on beauty remedies for natural remedies. Okay, so anyone is looking out for natural remedies can definitely try these remedies, and it works. It is an amazing remedy for your skin, to moisturize your skin and to hydrate your skin. If at all your skin is too dry and it is completely damaged and there is no glow on your skin, then you can definitely try this and it works. So today's video is a very simple and easy natural remedy to get glowing skin, to keep the skin moisturized, to exfoliate your skin, to nourish your skin. You only need two ingredients, that are curd and honey. Only two ingredients are needed. You should definitely try this face mask at least once in a week to see better results. Okay guys, so before getting into the video, I'll just give few advantages of this face mask so that it keeps you motivated to try this on your skin. Okay, the first benefit of using this face mask is, as I've told you earlier, it hydrates your skin. This is the first and most important. If your skin is completely dried or a normal texture, then you can definitely try this. It helps in hydrating your skin. The second benefit is it keeps your skin moisturized, super soft and smooth. The third important advantage of using this face mask is it improves brightness and also promotes elasticity of your skin. And the fourth advantage of using this face mask is it removes any dead cells or dead skin, and it exfoliates our skin and then rejuvenate our skin. So yeah guys, these are the most important benefits of this face mask. So without much late, let's get into the video and see how this face mask is made. So let's go.
So to make this face mask, take a clean bowl, then add about 2 to 3 spoons of curd to it. If needed, you can change the quantity according to your wish. So I am adding about 3 spoons of curd. Now you need honey. So add about 1.5 to 2 spoons of honey to it. So depending on my quantity, I added about 1.5 spoon of honey. Now give it a good mix until and combine everything well. So yeah, the face mask is ready now.
So that is how this little face mask is made. So this is the face mask. So as I told you, this is quite easy to make and this can be made within 2 minutes. Yeah, not within 2 minutes, it can be made quite easily. So only 2 ingredients are needed, and these 2 ingredients are easily available at all our homes. Yeah, before that, as I always tell, no makeup skin is highly recommended for any face mask. So I have no makeup on my skin right now. So I'll just prep my hair for this face mask so that my hair will not be in contact with this mask. Okay guys, so I have secured my hair with a hair bow and I just pushed few of my hairs back. Yeah, so it is done now. So my hair is not over my face now. So let's start applying this face mask now. So make sure that your skin is really neat and clean before you apply any face mask. So let's start applying this face mask. Okay guys, so I have completely applied this all over my face, and as you can see, it is just flowing like this. So it is because the curd was little liquidy, so that is not a big deal. Now let's wait for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. So let's wait for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes now, so it is almost dried, and as we have added honey in this, it's quite sticky. So yeah, so it's 20 minutes now. Now I'll just wash my face and I'll be right. Okay guys, so I'm back now. So I just washed my face and my face feels so clean now. So as you can see, it is so fresh, and yeah, this mask is really good on your skin. So you should apply it at least twice a week, as I have told you earlier. So while washing, you can just wash using cold water or normal water. No need of using any warm water or anything like that. And there is no need of using any soap or any face wash or anything like that. So just wash it off with a with cold water or normal water. So yeah, that is all about this face mask, and this face mask really works on your skin. I hope you have liked this video and you have enjoyed the video. So that's all about today, and so see you soon in another video with another useful natural remedy to get glowing skin and clear skin. And if at all you're liking this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Just beside that, click on that little bell icon, and under notifications give all, so that you will receive the notifications of all the videos I upload in future, so that you will not miss any of my videos. So do not miss my videos. Do watch guys, and do support me, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. So that's all for today. See you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.